In today's video, I am going to show you how to quickly calculate percentage change in Excel. This is perfect for tracking sales growth, price increases, or budget changes by comparing an old value to a new value. Step 1. Enter the formula to get started. Click on the empty cell where you want your result to appear. Type B2A2/A2 and press Enter. In this formula, B2 represents your new value, and A2 represents your old value. Be sure to swap these cell names out to match your own spreadsheet layout. Step 2. Format as a percentage. When you first press Enter, Excel will display your answer as a decimal. To fix this, click on the Results cell, navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen, and click on the Percent Style button, which looks like a percent symbol, %. Excel will instantly convert that decimal into a clean, easy-to-read percentage. If your new value is lower than the old one, the percentage will automatically show as a negative number to signify a decrease. And that is all there is to it. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips.